How come you're looking at it? Like, I didn't know what she was in it.
There you go, Zoe, stay after it, okay?
Sorry.
Yeah, sprawl it, sprawl it. Keep going. Good job. There you go, come on. Stand up.
Come on, Zoey.
Stand up.
There
you go, Zoe. Come up now, come up now.
That's a technical violation on red, so 1 point for Zoe.
We need to make sure to keep these in case I mess something up. We need to make sure to keep these papers in case I mess something up. I don't know if I'm using the right way. Let's figure it out.
Okay, Zoe, come up to your base. Up to your base. Circle out.
It's yeah. Our sandwiches are so similar.
Hey. Up to your base. Now roll into her, roll into her. Turn into her when she calls. You're good, you're good. Hey Zoe, if she pulls into you, if she pulls you back on her, turn into her, okay?
1 point Zoe. Got a 2-2 match here.
Not that
Okay, Zoe. Hey,
Red
good day,
chooses
good day.
neutral, so Zoe gets a point.
Oh, you can do that. You can just choose where you want to go. Oh, really? I guess. Because he just said Zoe just escaped because that's neutral. He wants to try.
Hey, keep working that. Keep working that.
It's a 2-minute takedown for Alexi. That's a 3-point near fall for Lexi. At the end of the first round, Lexi was 7, 3 points, Zoe.
What do you think? What do you think? You feel comfortable going down, getting away? You want to go up? Go up. Try up.
Green chooses top. Hey.
Red defers, so green chooses the top position.
Okay, break down. Hey, you got to take her down. Matt, return. Matt, return. There you go. She let go. Come on. She let go.
One point red.
It should be 9-3 because we got freaking locking hands.
Keep that. Keep that. Snap her.
2-point takedown for Lexi.
Turn into her. Turn into her. Zoe,
11.
when she pulls you back onto her, turn into her, okay?
What? How?
What?
Oh, whoever that was just barely got one. I am so confused. How do they have? How does?
1 point green.
Red chooses neutral. It's 1 point green.
Hey Zoe, you gotta
keep
get,
doing that?
if she shoots, you gotta get sprawled. Snap her down, okay? Don't get stood up. Good base. Stand. There you go. Keep going, keep going. There you go.
Break it down, Zoey.
Good job, good job. Break her down, Zoe, break her down. Hey, Zoe, she's tired. There you go. Half, half. Run the half.
For Zoe.
Run it again. There we go. There we go. Yeah!